What's up guys, this is Hockey's Love here. Last night I could not play any video games because of this. Thunderstorm last night. That tree fell on the power lines. Look at that snapped one. Look at that. Snapped in half. And that's a tree that fell. This cable line. Like all those trees. So, sorry again didn't make a video last night. Because we had no internet whatsoever. Look at that. Look at that tree, bro. We had tornado warnings and crap. But the funny part, we still have power. It's funny. So I hope you enjoyed this video, okay? And I'll make a video tonight. Probably in the weekend, okay? See you guys and have a nice day.